Okay, my name is Nozim Jali. I'm a toolmaker. I work at DTech, Plant 6.
My name is Simpiwe Shange. I'm a toolmaker at Automold.
A toolmaker is a high-skilled artisan. We work with precision and we work within very small tolerances.
Toolmaker is the person that actually makes the tools, repairs them, maintains them.
So you get toolmakers who make tools, you get toolmakers who make jigs, and then we get toolmakers who make die makers. So that's how it all depends on which industry you're concentrating on. So that's just how it works.
It's mostly mechanical technology that is needed.
You need to be able to read the engineering drawings. You need to have some maths.
You need to know your basic, like hand tools and tools. Most recently, they have this course in colleges called Toolmaker's Theory. So before, all you had to do was fitting and machining. So now, if you want to be a toolmaker, it's just strictly toolmaking.
You must be a very patient person. You must be very patient because every day you get different new challenges. I started at college. Then from college, I heard about toolmaking. Then there was a post and there was, I don't know if you know, Tooling Center of Excellence. That's where I started my practicals.
I was fortunate enough that after high school, there was an NCIP program for toolmakers. It was strictly on toolmakers. So I learned a lot there, more especially the basics of toolmaking per se.
It's very hard to explain the day-to-day because every day is different.
I can't actually pinpoint it out because every day you're not sure what's going to happen.
You get different things, you get different breakdowns, so you can't really say my day-to-day will be like this.
I can get to work this morning, maybe a cylinder breaks. I wasn't anticipating that to happen, and then something else breaks, then something this needs modification.
You can come and have the maintenance on that day with no present. On the following day, you will have breakdowns all day, so you can't say really my day-to-day will be like this.
Days differ, if I may put it that way. It's never an easy day. They're always challenging, but as you grow into the field, you actually get used to it. Advice I'd give someone who wants to be a toolmaker, first and foremost, you have to have patience and you have to love it, because by patience I mean that, see, when you work with precise measurements, so if you're going to do a job, you need to sometimes check it 5 times just to make sure that it's sitting in the right direction, in the right way. So that requires a lot of patience. So yeah, you have to be patient and you have to love it.
You know, according to the study, when we're checking from like 2020 to 2030, actually toolmaking is picking up about 3%. And it's no longer like in the longer days where the toolmaker will have to work on a bench. Now we're getting more advanced, we're getting CNC, we've got sparkeroiding who are working, so we're getting more and more advanced. So I would say toolmaking is a way to go. It's not like before where you have to work hard and we've got machines making everything for us. Okay, at first, when I started, I was more fascinated about the machining part. You know, when you're looking at the steel, you just look at a dead steel, but as a toolmaker, it's like you're bringing life to that steel because you're taking that steel, you're making it to something that can create components.
For me, I love what I do. I love the challenges. So if you're someone who's there by chance, obviously you'll find it hard and difficult and frustrating. But for me, it's always a learning curve.
There are a lot of things, there are a lot of interesting things, but what I can say, it's very interesting when you take a steel and you make that thing and that thing start producing components. It's like you're bringing life out of that thing, you know, if I can put it that way.